So at the end of a unit, you want to make sure that you're getting all your points. Here's how you keep track of them. I have screenshots that show you how to find that very quickly here, but it's always a click away. At the top of your course, you click on Your Work. If you're on just the main Google Classroom page, there's a quick shortcut right there too that you can use. When you click on Your Work, it'll list all of your assignments, and your points are right here. Some things just get checked off, some things get points in the orientation. You get 10 points each for your signatures on the 2 worksheets, 10 for the quiz, 10 for the blog post, 10 for the Google Plus post. You can see that one's turned in but hasn't been graded yet. And then the strategizer is worth 30. So this gets you up through the O and the N levels in IC. And then the wrap-up will be something that's checked off as well. Look for comments. Do you see how I didn't get any points on this blog post? Oh, there's a note here. I have to make a change. Make sure to copy your poem to post on the blog page. I don't see it. So it's not enough to do the generator. You have to practice the blog post as well. So you can go in, view details, make your changes, and then resubmit so that you always get full points. The more revisions you do, the less work you have to do overall. Perfect and master your work so that you have less reading to do, and the course will move by a lot faster. Let me know if you need any help. And hopefully you've got everything loaded, your questions are all answered at this point, and you're ready to dig in next week or today if you're ahead.